Excuse me, where was the first place you ever taught in Luxembourg?
The first place I ever taught in Luxembourg was in Weiler, or something Weiler.
Was it Lawrence Weiler?
No.
Sandweiler?
No.
Beidweiler?
No. Maybe it was just Weiler.
I don't think there is a just Weiler.
No, I meant maybe it was just only Weiler. Sorry, I'm late.
He's trying to remember the first place he taught in Luxembourg, but he can't remember which Weiler.
Where's which Weiler? No, I think he meant which of the Weilers.
Was it Ripweiler? Flaxweiler? Abweiler? Lenzweiler? Brideweiler?
Didn't you already ask me if it was Brideweiler?
No, I asked if it was Beidweiler. Now I'm asking, was it Brideweiler?
There's a Beidweiler and a Brideweiler? Was it Dick Weiler? I think I'd remember if it was Dick Weiler. Maybe it was Arsweiler. There's no Arsweiler. There should be. There's an Arsdorf.
Luxembourg has so many villages with the word Weiler in it.
Yeah.
Hey, wouldn't it be super fun to do a bicycle tour of all the Weilers?
Weiler Le Tour.
Sure, we could call it that. Though more accurately, it would probably be better to call it Tour de Weilers.
No, Weiler Le Tour. That's the first place I ever taught in Luxembourg.
Weiler Le Tour. Now, when was this?
A while ago.